Guys, I hope you're doing awesome right there. As you know very well that ICSE has launched the specimen paper of 2022 students for the first semester for all the MCQs, and the total number of marks is 40, and the most important that you have got the time they have allotted, that is all about 90 minutes. In other subject you people will be getting only an hour, which is all about 60 minutes, but in the mathematics you people will be getting 90 minutes, right? So, and the most important, and the mathematics is divided into three sections: section A, section B, section C, right? In the section A you will be getting 16 questions. In the section 16 questions, and the 16 questions carries of 1 mark each, which is equivalent to 16 marks. And in the section B you will be getting 6 questions, each carries 2 marks. That means everything will be the MCQ, but for one MCQ, the weightage of one MCQ will be 2 marks each, which is all about 12 marks, children. And in the section C you will be getting 3 questions, and in the three questions 4 bits would be there. 4 bits are there, 4 bits will be there, right? So which is all about 12. So after adding you will be getting 40. So without making any delay, let's solve the question. So as you can see, the number 1 question, that if a matrix A is of order 3 by 2, see, A matrix has been given 3 by 2 and the B matrix has been given 2 by 2, or you can say 2 cross 2. So what will be the matrix of AB? So what will be the matrix of AB? Very easy, children. So as you know very well, first generally you used to write row then column, then after row and column. So generally here is column and row are similar, right? So what it left? Only 3 and 2 it left. 3 and 2 means column 3 is a row 3, column 2. So generally it will be 3 cross 2. 3 by 2 also you can say. So if so, generally the option will be number 1 option will be A. Very easy question. That is 3 by 2. Number 2, you can see number 2 question is very easy. The percent share of SGST of the total GST of an intrastate sale of an article is this much. See, generally people, if I will be talking about 50%, suppose 50%, sorry 50% GST जो होता ही नहीं है, 28, remember children, 28% के ऊपर कभी GST होता नहीं है. Suppose let me say 30%, sorry again I am saying 30%. All right, sorry. So again let me say 10% of GST. 10% of GST. If I will be talking 10% of GST, you know very well 5% will be SGST, CGST, and 5% will be SGST. That means the total percentage, that means whatever will be there, the total percent will be divided into 2, will be divided, right? So whatever the percentage will be divided between 2, that means 50% is 50%, that means the answer will be 50%. That means number 2 will be bit B, right? That is all about number 2 bit B. SGST of the total GST in the intrastate sale of an article is 50%. Number 3, children, see, look after the number 3 question. Very easy also number 3 question, that children, in the number 3 it is given ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC. See, ABCD is a trapezium, right? ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC. Let me draw a figure. 0. Okay, see, with AB parallel to DC, then the triangle similar to AOB, A, B, C, D, O. So as you can see, something here is saying that then this triangle similar to AOB, which triangle will be similar to here? So see, as we can apply logic, so angle A can be similar to angle C. Angle A can be similar to angle C. Angle A equals to angle C, alternative angle. So over here I can also say angle B equals to angle D. Can I write angle B equals to angle D? Yes. So angle O, this angle can also become this angle. So can I, so here we concluded that angle AOB can be equals to angle DOC or angle COD. So is there having any kind of option regarding? So angle ADB nahi hoga, angle SCB nahi hoga, COD is given. Yeah, COD is given. That means number 3 bit C is the answer. Number 3 bit C is the answer. Is it clear, children? Chalo, let us start with the number 4. Very again one of the easy question. So let me erase this. I hope you have noted down. So see, children, Number 4 is very easy. Number 4 is very easy. That means a mean proportion 9 and 16 is mean proportion 9 and 16. बचपन से पढ़े आ रहे हो. You are reading from 6th grade children. So see, can I write in this way? Mean proportion 9 is to x, proportion to x is to 16. Am I right, children? Am I right? So here I concluded that. So this I will be doing in a mean proportion. In extreme we have to do different. So x square equals to 9 into 16, right? So x equals to under root of 9 into 16. So which I have got 3 times 4, which is all about a 12. I can get 12 is the answer. So here option 8 is given 25, option B it is given 144, option C it is given 7, option D it is given 12. 12 is the right answer. 12 is the right answer, children. Is it clear? Chalo, let us start with the number 4. Number 5. Number 4 over. Alright, number 5, children. A man deposited 500 per month for 6 months. Acha. Man deposited rupees 500 per month. Okay. And the man is depositing for 6 months continuously. He received. What he received? Now MB he received. Maturity value 3300. What amount he have deposited? MP, which is all about 500 per month. He deposited for 6 months, children, which is all about 3000. So here is asking about interest. So we know very well. I equals to MB minus MP. 3300 minus 3000, which is all about 300. Answer. So 3300 is given. Yes. Number 5 ka bit B is the answer. Okay. So let's start with the number 6. Okay, linear inequation, very important chapter, and try to understand it pretty well bit better because it will help you in the 12th grade. All right, so number 6. In the number 6 it is given a solution set representing the following number line. The darkened number is given, but see, you can see the darkened number. The darkened number is known as included. The hollow circle, darkened circle, hollow circle is known as excluded, or which is not included, right? So as you can see, -3. So here if it is darkened, as you know very well, which is less than equals to or greater than equals to. If it is hollow, so simply less than or greater than. So here is saying, where is the darkened one? The darkened one is in the 2. So let me draw this. -3, 2. Right, dark and hollow. Right, so see, so can I write in this way? So what are the options is given? See, you can see the option that x such that x belong to real number in which -3 less than equals to x less than 2. So what will be the answer? So the answer will be, I am confused, wait. The answer will be 1. See, children, see, number 3 is given -3. So obviously, the answer will be x such that x belong to real number in which -3 less than equals to x less than 2, which is all about. Beta is the option, right? So let us start with the number 7. So in the number 7, so there is having no space. Let me do this. So in the number 7, children, so see in the number 7, very easy. The first 3 terms of an AP is 1, 9, 17. Very easy also. So 1, 9, 7, the first 3 term is 1, 9, 7, 17. Sorry. 1, 9, 17, the first term, as you know very well, A. That means A is 1, D is A2 minus A1, which is all about 9 minus 1, which is all about 8. Right. So first term is 1, D I have got 7. The common difference between 1 to 9 is 8. 9 to 8, 17 is 8. So what will be the asking? Then the next 2 term will be, so here 1, 9, 17 plus 8. 17 plus 8 is all about 25, children. 25 plus 8, which is 33, it is given. Here we got the answer 25 and 33. It is there. Yes, it is there. Number C is the answer. Number C is the answer. 7 का C होगा answer. Number 8, let us do number 8. So in the number 8 it is given, children, I hope you have noted down. See, in the number 8 it is given, if triangle ABC similar to triangle QRP. So let us understand, if triangle ABC similar to triangle QRP, number 8, then the corresponding proportional sides are. So proportional side का बात करते हो, कैसे होगा, you have read in the 9th grade, people you have forgotten, that means what? So AB, can I do AB upon QR? Corresponding sides of proportional, children, corresponding sides of proportional, that means can I do AB upon QR? If I can do AB upon QR, so I can write beta BC upon RP also I can do. BC upon RP also I can do. So I can also do in this way, children, SC upon QP. SC upon QP. Why I am doing in such way? Because it is corresponding sides of proportional, right? Corresponding sides. So let's start. Let us see the options. Whether the options is, in the option A, it is given AB upon QR equals to BC upon RP, it is given. Yes, it is given. A is the correct answer. I think so. Let me see B over here. B is SC upon QR. SC upon QR. QP. No, B is not a correct answer. Bit C, it is given AB upon QR. AB upon QR, yes. B it is given. BC upon QP. BC upon RP. No, C is also incorrect answer, children. You can see over here. And what more? Bits D, yeah, AB upon PQ. No, so A is the correct answer, children, right? So number 9, see number 9. Number 9 is also very easy. Number 9, let me do here number 9. See number 9, children, if x belong to whole number, then the solution set of negative x greater than negative 7. So x, so what it would be? What it would be? साइन चेंज. आई बात समझ में? साइन चेंज होता है तो क्या होता है बेटा? साइन चेंज. सो हियर वी कंक्लूडेड दैट. So whole number, so as you know very well, in a whole number 0 consists of, right? So bit 1, so x is less than 7, so the solution set will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? The solution set will be up to this much. The solution set will be up to this much. So this is the option is there in the B. 9 का B होगा answer. So bit 1 it is given 8, 9, 10. It cannot be because it is less than that. So bit 2 is the answer. Bit 3 0, 1, 2, 3 dot 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 वो भी नहीं हो सकता, children. And bit D negative or negative no negative सवाल ही नहीं उठता. Negative number का सवाल ही नहीं आ रहा है यहाँ पर. So this is all about number 9 is over. Number 10. Very easy question, children. It is very easy, very easy question, specimens paper. And also, children, I can promise you all this type of question also will play a vital role, and you people also will be getting very easy question the board examination, trust me. Number 10, the roots of the quadratic equation 4x square minus 7x plus 2 equals to 0 are 1 point pen caps marker cap 1 point कहाँ गया 390 and 0.359. The roots correct two significant figure. Very easy. Two significant figure. That means after the decimal you have to identify the two significant figure. उसका मतलब ये होता है 1.39 39 का 39 का राउंड नंबर क्या होता है बेटा 40 1.40 राउंड नंबर 40 एंड 0.35 का राउंड नंबर क्या होता है 35 का राउंड नंबर 36 0.369. सो बिट 1 ऑप्शन 1.39 0.36 बिट 1 ऑप्शन इज गिवन चिल्ड्रन 1.39 एंड 0.36. नो नहीं होगा Bit 2 option it is given children 1.3 and 0.35 नहीं होगा. Bit 3 option it is given 1.4 and 0.36. Yes, we have got it. 1.4 and 0.36. Yes. And here also we have got something that 1.3. So bit C is the correct answer. Number 10 का bit C का correct answer होगा. 11 number. Let us do 11 number. 11 also is very easy. Everything is easy I can say children. अरे यार कमाल करते हो यार. इतना अच्छा वाला सवाल अगर नहीं कर पाओगे तो जिंदगी में क्या करोगे यार. चलो नंबर 11. चलो in 11 number what is given? 1.5 are in the proportion 1.5 is to 3 x 8. चलो very easy. So 3 times x equals to 8 into 1.5 then 12 x equals to 12 बट्टा 3 which is all about a 4. आंसर है 4 यहाँ पर. What else I can say to this type of problem? If you people, I am speechless. I am speechless. I am speechless. Number 11 का B का होगा आंसर. 12. Number 12. Let us do number 12 now. Number 12 children. Number 12. My handwriting is little bit bigger. That's the reason I am erasing a lot. Number 12 children. See number 12. Number 12 minus 1 is divided by x plus 3. Oh, then the remainder is, x plus 3. You know very well. X plus 3 equals to x equal. So that implies that x equals to minus 3. So f of x equals to, what is the quotient is given? 2x square. कहाँ गया उसके बाद? Minus 7x minus 1. 2 times negative 3 square minus 7 का 3 minus 1 which is all about 18. Right? Then after plus 21 minus 1 which is all about 39 minus 1 is all about 38 is the answer. It is given. Yes, it is given. Number 12 bit B is the answer. इतना सवाल इतना इजी बच्चा कभी आता नहीं है लाइफ में. पहले बार देख इतना सिंपल स्पेसिमेन पेपर यू हैव गेटिंग. Number 13 children. In the number 13 it is given if 73 is the nth term of the AP 3 8 13 18 ... then n is what? n क्या होगा? वेरी इजी. n क्या होगा? चलो a पता चल गया इस समय. a is given 3, d is given 5. अरे भाई 8 2 minus a1 कितना हुआ? 8 minus 3 equals to 5. So a is 3, d is 5. AP equals to a plus n minus 1d. You know very well the formula. AP it is given 73 children. A it is given 3 plus n it is given no. Nothing it is given 5 it is given d. So यहाँ पे पता चल गया 3 plus 5n minus 5 73. So 73 equals to what beta? Now something I have got which is all about what? Negative 2 plus 5n. So 75 divided by 5 which equals 15n. n equals to 15 है आंसर 15. Number 12. Number 13. Number 13 the answer is C. 15 is the answer. Very easy. Very easy. Very easy I can say. Chalo number 14. Number 14 children. See the number 14 question is also very easy children. Number 14. In the number 14 it is given. Number 14 it is given the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. They are, oh my goodness. Children, I generally say this kind of problems in my offline classes. And from this type of question you will be getting a question that means discriminant. Discriminant का formula क्या होता है बच्चों? D equals to b square minus 4ac. Discriminant equals to b square minus 4ac if the b square minus 4ac equals to 0. अगर इसका आंसर अगर 0 निकला तो उसका आंसर क्या होता है बच्चों? अगर उसका आंसर 0 निकलता है तो they are real and equal. If the b square minus 4ac equals to 0 तो क्या होता है वो? real and equal. R and E. I'm writing the short form children. b square minus 4ac if they are greater than 0. If they are greater than 0 then means it is becoming real and unequal बेटा. real and unequal. ऐसा प्रॉब्लम आएगा बच्चों, ऐसा प्रॉब्लम आएगा. अगर b square minus 4ac छोटा रहा जीरो से छोटा रहा, मतलब नेगेटिव नंबर में अगर आंसर निकलता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल -4 इज ग्रेटर देन 0, दैट मीन्स इट इज imaginary, right? Imaginary or not real, you can say. So moral of the story, so for x square plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0, which is all about real and equal. Answer is B. Very important topic, right? चलो नंबर 15 देखते हैं. Oh my goodness. Which of the following, see, you can see over here in the screen, which of the following statement is not true? All identity metrics are square metrics. All identity metrics are square metrics. Yes. Which is following are not true. बच्चे बहुत होते हैं, ओहो नोट को पढ़ना भूल जाते हैं. People that don't read not directly they go on reading something like that. So identity matrix is square matrix. Yes, identity matrix is square matrix. Identity matrix is square matrix. All null matrix are square matrix. No, it's incorrect statement. All the null matrix are a zero matrix. All the null matrix are a zero matrix. Incorrect statement. For a square matrix number, the rows and equal and the columns are equal. Yes, the rows and the number of rows and the number of columns are equal in this case of square matrix. For example, 2, 4, 6, 7. The number of rows 2 cross 2 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix. Square, they always remain 3 by 3. In case of these, so it is a correct statement. A square matrix of all those elements except those in a leading diagonal are 0 in the diagonal matrix. Yes, they are also correct. These are the correct. That means the null matrix are square matrix. It is incorrect. That means 15 का B होगा आंसर. 15 का B होगा आंसर. Right. Number 16, children. Number 16, please note it down as soon as possible. Let me this. See number 16. In the number 16 question it is given. Number 16 question it is given very easy. If x minus 2 is a factor of polynomial this much and the k it is given and the k is equal to dash. If x equals to -2, so x equals to 2 I can do. So I have to put the value f of x equals to what, children? Now x cube plus 2x square minus 13x plus k. Very easy. So I have to put the value 2 cube plus 2 का स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस है बेटा, माइनस 13 का x है ना, x इज ऑल अबाउट 2 प्लस k, 8 प्लस 2 दूना 4 दूना 8 माइनस 26 प्लस k, 16 माइनस 26 प्लस k माइनस 10 प्लस k. So 10 equals to k. The k 10 it is given. Yes. D. -10 कभी होगा नहीं, 26 तो होगा नहीं, -26 होगा नहीं. आंसर क्या होगा बेटा? 10. 16 का T. 16D is the option. So let us do with the section B. चलो section A खत्म, section B में चलते हैं. section B में it is given a main deposit given. So P it is given 1200, R it is given 5%. Time it is given 1 year, which is all about 12 month, right? So what to do now? We have to put formulas. What formula beta? P into n into क्या होगा? P into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R बट्टा 100. That is P 1200 into n it is given बटा 12 month. n never do in a year. बच्चों तो डायरेक्ट एक लगा देंगे, गलत होगा. into 13, why 13? 12 plus 1 13, n plus 1 divided by 24 I am doing directly. 5 by 100, 0000 cancelled. Over here is cancelled with the 2 cancelled with 6 5 30 into 13, 390 is the answer. है क्या? 390 is the answer. So number 17 का B is the answer. 390. Number 18, if x square minus 4 is a factor of the polynomial x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4 and then its factor r. See, in such type of problem you should learn how to eliminate the MCQs. Babu, see children, always try to eliminate the method, eliminate the MCQs, eliminate the options. If people can eliminate the options easily, डेफिनेटली प्रॉब्लम यू विल बी शॉर्टेड आउट वेरी सोन. 90 मिनट का क्वेश्चन होता है बच्चों, 90 मिनट. मुझे कितना मिनट लग रहा है तुम सोचो पहले. एंड आई एम नॉट टेकिंग ए सिंगल पोज, आई एम डूइंग डायरेक्टली. एंड इफ आई एम टेकिंग नियर अबाउट सम 40, and I have read the question before, and I am saying truly beta, I have read the question before. I am not doing like you are thinking that sir aa rahe padha rahe sir dekh rahe bol rahe sir is a computer. No, I have seen the question before, but I have not taken out the answer. I am doing now, but I have seen the question before. So that's the thing, you have to read the question thoroughly beta, whether it is written or not, whether it is written or something like that. You have to read the question thoroughly, and you have to read the MCQs thoroughly. You have to read the option thoroughly. Right, let us do number 18 elimination method. सीखो कैसे करते हैं. So let me erase. In case of x square minus 4 it is given. So can I do in this way? X square minus 4, can I do in this way? Can I write in this way? X square minus 2 square a minus b whole square. Can I write in this way? A plus b into a minus b. X square minus 4 it is given. Can I write in a square minus b square? Can I write? I can write in a square minus b square, x square minus 2 square. So a square minus b square का formula a plus b into a minus b also I can write. So see children, in the option it is given in the option bit 1. Let me write the option also. X minus 2 x plus 2 x plus 1 bit 2, x minus 2 x plus 2 x minus 1 bit 3, x minus 2 x minus 2 x plus 1 bit 4, x minus 2 x minus 2 x plus 1. See, so bit C and bit D is totally cut, because the answer I have got x plus 2 x minus 2. मतलब 4 ऑप्शन में 2 ऑप्शन कट हो गया. दैट मीन ऑप्शन 3, ऑप्शन C एंड ऑप्शन D आई हैव कट इट आउट, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट देयर इन द a प्लस बी a माइनस बी तो है ही नहीं. उनका आंसर कुछ अलग बता रहा है. तो आई हैव गॉट समथिंग. सो नाउ आई हैव गॉट 2 ऑप्शंस, x minus 2 x plus 2 x plus 1, x minus 2 x plus 2 x minus 1. So what to do now? So I have to see, now I have to take it out such that I have to take it out any one number. For an example, I am saying x plus 1 it is given. So can I write it down x plus 1? Can I write it in this way? X equals to minus 1. I can write it down. If I can write x equals to minus 1, x का वैल्यू अगर मैं पुट कर दूं, यहाँ पे जो क्वेश्चन दिया गया है बच्चों, x का वैल्यू अगर यहाँ पे पुट कर दूं तो देखते हैं क्या होता है. x क्यूब प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4x माइनस 4 इट इज गिवन. लेट मी पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. x जो -1 मिला है, पुट करते हैं वैल्यू क्या होता है बच्चों? -1 का क्यूब, -1 का क्यूब, राइट, प्लस -1 स्क्वायर -4 -1 प्लस 4, सॉरी -4. सो -1 प्लस 1 प्लस 4 -4, कट 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 0, x प्लस 1. सो x प्लस 1. सो आई हैव गॉट द वैल्यू 0. इसका आंसर मुझे 0 मिल गया. तो इसका आंसर मुझे 0 मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा? बिकॉज सी, लेट मी डू दिस ऑल्सो. यू पीपल विल गेट कंफ्यूज. लेट मी डू दिस ऑल्सो. सो आई हैव डन दिस. x प्लस 1 इक्वल्स टू 0. देन लेट मी डू दिस. x minus 1 equals to 0. So can I do x equals to 1? If I can put x equals to 1, so question was x square minus 4x minus 4. So can I put 1 का वैल्यू यहाँ पे लगाते हैं? चलो देखते हैं. Right. So 1 plus 1 minus 4 minus 4. So over here I have got 2 minus 8. So see, I have got 2 minus 8. So which is not equals to 0. So that means option A is correct. So 16-bit 1 is correct. Apply the sense of mind and in this way you try to terminate the options. सीखो ये सब. कैसे सीखोगे? अगर random practice होगा बेटा. Number 19. In the number 19 it is given that a bill shows. Number 19 children, please look after the number 19. Number 19. A bill shows, bill store, article is given, mark trade is given, rate of interest is given. You have to find it out the total amount. The total amount to be paid of the bill. अच्छा. So for A 300 is given. 300 का 12% GST होता है. 12% GST कुछ इस प्रकार का 36 रुपए. आर्टिकल B 1200 5% GST, which is all about 60 rupees if I am not wrong. 60 rupees, 12 5 60, 60 rupees. Here is asking that find the total amount to be paid. You have to find the total amount to be paid. So what was the total amount? Cost price कितना है? 1200. आर्टिकल बी का 1200, आर्टिकल ए का 300, 1500. GST मुझे कितना देना पड़ा? 60 plus 36, 96, which is all over 1596 is the answer. Is it there? Yes, it is there. That means number 9B, 19B. 19B is the correct answer. Very easy. Let us do number 20. 20 also let us do. It is a carries 2 marker question, children. Do not do a single wrong. एक मिस्टेक करोगे तो पूरा भारी पड़ेगा. चलो देखते हैं 20 नंबर का. See, in the number 20 it is given, children. In the number 20, -8 is less than equals to x minus 7 less than -4. X belong to I integer. So what is the option it is given? Let us understand the option. Bit A, oh my god, x belong to R. So bit A is completely deleted. Bit A nahi hoga because x belong to real number it is given. X such that x belong to real number. So bit option 1 has been terminated. It's been eliminated. So 3 options are left. So let us solve it. Our moral of the story to solve it first. Let us solve and we'll get the answer. So -8 is given. Let us solve. -8 plus 7 x. तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा बेटा? -1 लेस देन इक्वल टू x. तो यहाँ पर कुछ इस प्रकार है. So this first we have got this. Again we will be doing x minus 7 minus 4 x minus 4 plus 7 x 3. So I have got something in this way that I have got -1 x 3. I have got in this way. So what will be the answer? So what will be the answer? You can look after the option, children. See, first option नहीं होगा. First option नहीं होगा. Second वाला option 0 1 2 3 it is given, children. Second option also 0 1 2 because the number negative number 1 -1 is there. So second option भी नहीं होगा. Third option -1 2 0 1 2 3 वो भी नहीं होगा because it is great because it is there less than it is there. It is a darken, sorry, it is a hollow one. Excluded one नहीं होगा. Excluded याद आ रहा है कुछ बच्चों? Excluded नहीं होगा, included ही पकड़ा जाता है. तो obviously -1 0 1 2 that means D is the correct option. Number 20 D is the correct option. Number 20 D is the correct option. Easy question number 21 that in case of componendo and dividendo we should understand in case of componendo dividendo that you should always see numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. It is the formula. Numerator plus denominator divided by numerator by minus denominator. For an example, see 5a upon 7b 5c upon 3d. So numerator plus denominator. So 5a plus 7b upon 5a minus 7b. मिला कुछ इस प्रकार का. Again component dividend of this. So what? Numerator plus denominator. 4c numerator plus denominator 4c minus 3d. So let us see the bit 1 option. In the bit 1 option it is given 5a plus 7b. Yes. 5 upon 5a minus 7b. Yes. That equals to 4c minus 3d. No. Bit 1 option is incorrect. Bit 2 option 5a minus 7b 5a minus 7. No. Bit 2 option is incorrect. Bit C option it is given 5a plus 7b 5a. Yes. Bit C option is correct. 21 का bit C option correct और bit D option भी incorrect. Is it clear? So moral of the story, dividend of compound and numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. याद रखो, पूरा put it inside of memory. Number 22. In the number 22 is given a equals to 2 0 -1 7 a square. You know very well how to do multiply. Let us do. A equals to 2 सुना minus 1 7. Right. Then after the same 2 0 -1 7 मल्टीप्लाई करो बच्चों. देखो क्या होता है. मल्टीप्लाई करने से क्या होगा देखो यहाँ पर. That is all about we have got 2 times 2 2 times 2 plus 0 times -1. over here 2 times 0, 2 times 0, 0 times 7 plus 0 times 7. Again here negative 1. I am doing calculation, right? You should also do by your own. खाली खाली मत बैठो. 7 सुना सॉरी -1 सुना 7 7 49 -1 सुना सॉरी -1 into 0 plus 7 into 7. So the answer is 4. यहाँ का 0, यहाँ का -1 -7 -1 -2 -1 sorry -7 -2 what ना -9. over there is 749. आंसर है क्या उस प्रकार का? 4 -9. Yes, answer is bit B. It is given 22 bit B is the answer. Okay, I think the concept is pretty clear to you all the children. Oof. I am really working hard for you all people. If the session is really helpful, definitely do share and subscribe the platform. All right, and the C session is also left right now. We have to solve it out, and please share this with your friends, please. If you really understand it, if you really feel the value, if you really feel the pain of the teachers, definitely you will be sharing with your friends, and definitely you will subscribe the platform also, right? So section C, I hope you have noted down section C. Section C, number 23 children. In the section C, it is given the distance between station A and B by road is 240. Yeah, distance between A to B 240 किलोमीटर. चलो, of a road, how can I forget the road? ROAD, road का distance A से B 240 किलोमीटर, and by train is, here is saying that the distance between station A and B is 240 kilometer, and by train is 300 kilometer, and the train is 300 kilometer for train. The distance between station A to B by road से जाने से इतना होगा, ट्रेन से जाने से इतना किलोमीटर होगा, right? And a car starts from A with a speed of x. कार का स्पीड कितना है बच्चों? कार का स्पीड x. स्पीड ऑफ कार x किलोमीटर पर आवर for us. Yeah, किलोमीटर पर आवर. Here is saying that where is a train start from station B with the speed of इतना. अच्छा देखो बच्चों, बहुत इजी है. देखो, a car starts its journey from A to B with the help of 240 kilometer. Similarly, on the road, train also starts its journey from A to B 300 kilometer. But here is saying that the speed of the car is x kilometer. The speed of the train it is not given, and it is saying that find the time taken. T equals to find the time taken by the car. As you know very well, speed equals to distance upon time. So I can say speed equals to distance upon time. So time will go here. T equals to d by s. D कितना दिया है कार का बट्टा 240. टाइम कितना होगा बच्चों? टाइम x किलोमीटर it is given. Speed of the car x. So how to find the s is x? It is there, right? So x the 240 by x. Bit 1 is the correct. So 23 का bit 1 का A option is correct. So 240 by x. Let us go to the bit 2. What is the time taken by the train to reach A? As you know very well, train is coming from B to A. B से ट्रेन अपना जर्नी स्टार्ट कर रहा बच्चों, तो कितना डिस्टेंस होता है? 300 the distance. In what speed it is going? x plus 20 speed. x plus 20 होगा यहाँ पर, right? So x plus 20 speed, x plus 20 का स्पीड में चल रहा है. अरे भाई, स्पीड इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम, तो डिस्टेंस इज गिवन 300. टाइम कितना है? तो टाइम निकालना है ना मुझे. स्पीड कितना चल रहा था? x से ज्यादा 20 किलोमीटर. ट्रेन इज गोइंग 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर मोर फास्टर देन कार. व्हाट इज द स्पीड ऑफ द कार? इज x. 20 टाइम्स फास्टर चल रहा है. किससे? ना कार से. डेफिनेटली 20 प्लस x प्लस 20. द आंसर आई हैव गॉट. Bit 3, nothing, very easy. In the bit 3 it is given 300 by x plus 20 plus 240 by x equals to 1 less than 1. सिंपल फॉर्मूला करो, अपने आप पता चल जाएगा. Bit 3 and bit 4 is your homework. You do by your own children, right? It is a figure, it is given. P Q R C. A B 6C 4C O Q A B, इतना ही तो है ना, 3C. Here is saying that in a triangle PQR, yes, in a triangle PQR, FB parallel QR, yes, FB parallel QR, and OP QP parallel CB, QP parallel CB, where is CB? Oh, CP, अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, QP parallel CB, अच्छा. This is the thing it is given. Here is saying that the triangle similar to ARQ. ARQ, कौन सा ट्रायंगल सिमिलर होगा टू ट्रायंगल ARQ? अच्छा, कौन सा ट्रायंगल सिमिलर होगा ARQ? ARQ. Let us see with the bit 1 option what is given na. Triangle ORC, bit B triangle, ARP, bit 3 triangle, OBR bit 4 triangle QRP. So ARP nahi, ARP cannot be. So see, I can do something. Angle Q and angle C can become common. Angle Q and angle C common हो सकता है. यहाँ पे देखते हैं angle Q angle C क्या हो सकता है इसमें. So yeah, with the help of elimination method I have got this answer correctly. So see, if these both are correct, so angle R is also common. In triangle ARQ, angle R can be a common OCR. Yes, something I have got, OCR. Triangle OCR is similar to triangle ARQ. Bit 2. Here is saying in the case of bit 2 that if a triangle PQR similar to BCR, कहाँ है BCR? अच्छा, एक्सियोम कौन सा प्रॉपर्टी बोलता है, चलो देखते हैं. PQR BCR. Little bit earlier I have said beta angle Q equals to angle C. Little bit earlier I have said angle Q equals to angle C. That means this angle is equal to this angle. So angle R equals to BCR, common angle. They are common. So as two angles we have got. Another angle also. This angle can also become. So we can go by the triple A. Angle B. Angle is the common, is the answer. Another option that in a bit 3 it is saying that, children, in the bit C it is saying that in the bit 3 that the bit 3 is saying that, see, so I am no need to erase, I am doing here. Bit 3 is saying that if QC 6 centimeter, QC दिया है 6 centimeter, CR दिया है 4 centimeter, CR is 4 centimeter, BR is 3 centimeter, BR is 3 centimeter. Find RP. Where it is RP? Find RP. So we can find RP very well. Can we find RP? Yes, we can find RP. Yes, children, we can find. It's very easy. See, QR, angle QR upon, so can I do in this way? QR upon angle QR upon CR एंगल क्यू आर अपॉन सी आर इक्वल्स टू पी आर अपॉन बी आर। मैं इसे कर सकता हूं, मैं इसे लिख सकता हूं क्यू आर अपॉन सी आर equals to PR upon BR. Can I do? If I can do in this way, that means total I have got QR 4 6 plus 4 10 upon CR. What is the CR beta na 4 equals to PR is not given X, BR it is given 3. So can I do 10 का 5/2 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 3, चलो equals to X 15/2 7.5. So I have got 7.5 is the answer. 7.5 because QC it is given QC by CR. So I have added out, I have taken down all together. That is all about the QR by CR. CR is 4C. CR is 4C. Total 10/4 10/4 से फिर X क्यों? Because PR I have to find the length of RP बेटा, PR और RP एक. So I have to find the length. That means that is X by BR is 3. Simple and straight. I have cut it. The ratio of PQ and BC. PQ, ratio of PQ is to BC. Simple and straight. PQ it is given, but how much PQ it is given? PQ it is given. PQ BC. BC. What is the PQ it is given, children? Now PQ it is given 10. PQ it is given 10. As we can do, PQ it is given 10. So PQ it is given 10. Upon BC it is given how many, children? Now BC it is given 4. So 5:2. 5:2 is the answer. 5:2 we have got, right? So number 25. Number 25. Please pause the video and do as soon as possible, children. Number 25. In the number 25 it is saying that the nth term of AP is 3 plus 1. Find the first 3 term of AP. First 3 term of AP you can do very well. First 3 term of AP. And the term is given, so 3n plus 1 it is given, 3n plus 1 it is given. So n क्या होगा, n का वैल्यू 1 डालो, n का if n equals to 1 से क्या होगा 3 into 1 plus 1 4. if n equals to 2 3 into 2 plus 1 6 7. if n equals to 3 3 into 3 plus 1 10. So 4 7 10. Is it there? 4 7 10. Yes. 25 bit D, 25 का bit D, first वाला bit 1 का bit D, 4 5 4 7 10 is the answer. What is the common difference between the AP? What is the common difference, children? So what is the common? 4 7 10. So A2 minus A1. What is the A2? 7 is A2. 7 minus 4 3. Common difference is 3. Which of the following is not in AP? We not in AP. Now you know all the sequences. You got to know all the sequences. 4 7 10 13 16 19 22 25 28 31 sequence. See the sequence. Which of the following is not in a term of this AP? AP में नहीं है बच्चों, AP में नहीं है. कौन सा नहीं है? 4 7 10 13 16 19 22 25 28 31 AP में नहीं है. Farab's 25 is there, 28 is there, 31 is there, 27 is not there. 27 is the answer. Sum of the first 10 AP, you know very well the sum of first term. So as you know very well, let me do here, children, where I don't have space. Let me do here, right? See, Sn, you know very well, Sn equals to n bata 2 plus Sn equals to, what is the question? Find the first term, right? So 2a plus n minus 1d. So 10 it is given, 10 number of term it is given. So 10 by 2 is 5. I am doing directly. So 4 common. So 4 is there, the first term. I am doing 8 plus n it is given. 9 into 3 27. So 5 times 35. Answer is 175. 175 for us. Yeah, 175 is the answer. 175 is the answer. So we have done everything correctly. So if you children you cannot understand anything, so please do comment, and if you have understood everything then please respond also. And all I can say that please keep loving me, and I will be bringing more quality content for you all people. Thank you very much, and please share as much as you can. Please do share it out with your friends and relatives. And I'm planning even to bring more update MCQs in this type, and definitely you'll enjoy a lot. Thank you. Cheers.